Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to delete your Snapchat. With this tutorial, you'll be able to get rid of your Snapchat. So let's go ahead to Snapchat, the app, and then go to our Bitmoji. And then go to our Bitmoji, or the profile icon at the top left corner. And now that we're here, tap on Settings, which is at the top right corner, and then you will be moved here. So just scroll down and then tap on Delete Account. And it's actually very simple. All you have to do is just write your email, your username, your password, and that's it. So you just sign in here. I'm not gonna do it because it's very simple and I think you can do it on your own. So just sign in, and once you're in, it'll ask you to sign in again, this time with your password, and then that's it. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Have any questions, feel free to comment down below.